remove these two Phillips head screws. And pull the cover out. There's a tab right here that actually has to get pulled down gently, and then we're going to rotate the blow motor. So this is a two-hand job. You gently pull down, grab the blow motor and twist. Drop the unit straight down. All right, you just want to press down this connector and separate that. All right, so go ahead and install this little tab. It goes in just before the little plastic ramp. Once it's lined up and pressed into place, and twist it in so it locks in. I'm going to go ahead and connect that connector right up in here. You can do this before or after the blow motor is installed. Just press it until it clicks into place. We have this plastic pin on the back corner of the knee board, and that pin goes into that yellow insert up there. So we're going to go ahead and line this up. Get that put into place. Now you can go ahead and line up your screws. Get that one started, and then get the one beside it started, and we'll get those buttoned up.